Hi, my name is Ravi Ahmed and I am the founder of Love, Light, and Poetry.
My energy is infinite.
Love, Light, and Poetry is a business that utilizes a holistic approach to poetry. We really utilize this art form as a way to engage in liberatory and introspective work to facilitate transformation and healing for our participants. At an affordable rate, we offer our writers poetry workshops that feature writers of all genres to produce their poems at the end in community-based spaces. With our mission to really cultivate a sustainable community, we have found that organizations based in New York City that already align with our missions are the best place to hold our workshops. Our business functions in 3 sectors: myself as an independent artist, our workshop series, and our apparel line.
What does liberation mean? Liberation is exploration, it's financial freedom. Liberation is to free others. You know, liberations might come with handcuffs though. Or the releasing of handcuffs. Yeah, the releasing of handcuffs. The most meaningful experiences that I've had with LLP are realizing that I need space, and as someone who supports families all the time and for a living, I hold space for a lot of people, and LLP has been the space when I've been able to say, what about you and how do you feel about this? And really reflect on that and think about self-care in a really purposeful way. And Robbie and LLP make it so that not only am I thinking about self-care and having these great to-do items, but I have reserved time in my week to do it, and for that I can never thank her and LLP enough.
So I just want to say that Love, Light, and Poetry is the place to be, not just for community, but just the fact that you could come through, whether you're a poet or not. The way the workshops are constructed, you're gonna come out with a piece, which is phenomenal. Because a lot of people don't know that they have poetry in them or have the ability to write poetry.
So I truly enjoy coming to the LLP workshops only because you just get so much peace and calmness from being around humble, loving, caring people. And I just hope that more people would have the opportunity to come to these workshops just to gain some type of insight, learn more about themselves and others.
I am looking forward to expanding our community, meeting more people who are interested in writing, meeting more people who want to join artistic communities throughout the city. So please check out our website, join, and we will see you soon. I chose poetry. How will you fill the world with love and light?